Hey, welcome. I'm so excited you joined Level Up Your Python from zero to your first paycheck. I'm gonna be seeing you this Thursday, okay? So please, if you would, my friend, show up there. The people who get the best results are the ones who actually show up, okay? I'm gonna be showing you your earning potential with Python as a programmer, as a developer. I'm going to be showing you how quickly you can learn to code and how soon you can actually land your first client. And it's possible to do that in less than 90 days with the roadmap that I'm just going to provide to you, okay? Step by step. The beautiful thing about this roadmap is that it's actionable, tangible, strategic, and you could actually start taking action on it, and you'll see that that plan will become a reality very, very fast. And if you do it perfectly, it'll become a reality in less than 90 days. But for all of this to become true for you, you have to show up. I'm excited to see you. Be there and give me a hell yeah in the chat if you're watching this video. Thanks, and I'll see you there.